How's it going, everybody? Welcome back, and today I'm going to show you guys some of the best VPNs for your Roku device. Now, Roku is an amazing streaming service to equip your home with, but has different content libraries across different regions. What's worse is that Roku gets automatically region locked when you first set it up. So how do you access different libraries? You can set up a VPN on Roku to bypass these restrictions. The problem is that Roku does not natively support VPNs or smart DNS functionality. But there is a workaround, of course, and if you're looking for a tutorial on how to set up Roku, you will find it on the websites here of these VPNs. So Surfshark, NordVPN, and ExpressVPN. They do offer all kinds of tutorials in here so that you know exactly how you can set up your Roku device. What I would recommend personally is to just set up your router. It'll be the easiest way so that when you connect your Roku device to your router, it'll pick up a region from the router where you can just set up whatever region using the router application. So yeah, if you're looking on how to set up your router with Roku, you'll find it on the websites. Today, I wanted to just talk about the VPNs that are, well, you know, some of the best VPNs you can get for streaming services in general, since we're talking about a streaming service here. Now, before we begin, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below, so feel free to take advantage of those while they last. Also, you'll find full reviews. They'll give you more of an in-depth look into the privacy policy, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. So keep that in mind if you guys are interested in learning more about these VPNs, be it Express, Nord, or Surfshark. Now, you know, it really depends on what you're looking for with these VPNs. If you're looking for the top level of consistency and reliability with regards to unblocking streaming services, then ExpressVPN will be your go-to VPN. Now, it is a little bit more expensive. Of course, it's a premium service that comes with a premium price, and it is compatible with nearly every single modern device you can think of. It'll allow up to 5 devices per subscription, and with regards to its streaming capabilities, using Netflix as a reference, ExpressVPN is able to unblock up to 18 Netflix libraries, NordVPN able to unblock up to 10 libraries, and up to 15 with Surfshark. So, of course, that is by virtue of ExpressVPN having more regions, covering more countries than both Nord and Surfshark. Express up to 94 countries and over 3,000 servers. Nord with over 5,200 servers in 60 countries, and Surfshark with 65 countries and over 3,200 servers. Now, depending on your budgeting and needs, you might find one of these VPNs to be more appealing than the other. I personally use ExpressVPN because it really gets me to spend as little time fiddling with it or trying to adjust it as possible. It is able to unblock the most number of streaming services, and I've been just testing it with a huge number of streaming services, about 100 streaming services, and it only did not work with just 2 obscure, very obscure services. So ExpressVPN is incredibly reliable when it comes to unblocking streaming services. Now, it's not just used for streaming. It is also one of the most secure VPNs you can find out there. And with regards to features, you're gonna get the basic features. So that'll be the kill switch and split tunneling. So the kill switch, if you're not familiar with it, it'll disconnect your internet or terminate your internet connection when the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. And it's especially reliable in ExpressVPN. This will be very useful for people living in censorship-heavy countries so that they prevent any leaks and keep their data hidden from their ISP and authorities. Split tunneling is another very useful security feature. This will help you choose which, let me just turn it off actually. This will help you choose which applications are allowed through the VPN and which are not. So, for example, you could only have your torrenting client, for example, use the VPN and have everything else, well, the rest of your network intact and just untouched by the VPN. So you can just have one application use the VPN. This can be very useful. And you've got a handful of protocols. I would just recommend using the best performing protocol, which is the lightweight UDP. So yeah, and you don't really have to use anything else besides lightweight UDP. So once you pick it, you won't really have to change it ever. It's very easy to use, and the UI looks exactly the same, and it has the same features across all of the other devices. So great stuff overall. So if you don't mind the pricing of ExpressVPN, then it'll definitely be the best service you can get. Now, ExpressVPN, again, as I said, it secures up to 5 devices per subscription. If you're looking for a service that offers, now if you're looking for a VPN that secures 1 more device and has plenty of other features such as specialty servers, the ad blocker right here, the NordLynx protocol, making it the fastest VPN in the market today, arguably the fastest VPN. Not only do you get a conventional kill switch, you also get an app kill switch, which will turn off or end tasks for specific or selected apps rather than terminating your entire connection, as it is with the conventional kill switch. You've also got split tunneling, an easy way to change your DNS in the advanced settings here, and obfuscated servers, which you'll most likely not use because if you're in a censorship-heavy country, you can still use the regular servers. It's just that this is kind of an emergency measure in case the regular servers don't work. So if you're in a censorship-heavy country, what NordVPN does is that they give you a specific NordVPN application that works in censorship-heavy countries. And with regards to the specialty servers, you only get 2 here because you're using NordLynx. But if you switch to OpenVPN UDP, you will also get access to dedicated IP and double VPN. Double VPN will route your connection through 2 servers rather than 1 for extra security. And dedicated IP will always give you the same IP every time you return to the server if that's something you need. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate budget VPN that is also super reliable when it comes to unblocking streaming services, you'll find that with Surfshark. It'll allow you to secure an unlimited number of devices per subscription without installing it on a router. Now, if you were planning to install the VPN on your router, then anything connected to that router will be secured. So practically, you can secure an unlimited number of devices with ExpressVPN and NordVPN if you install them on a router. And by the way, ExpressVPN's router app is exceptionally good. It's known to be one of the best and easiest to use router apps. Again, ExpressVPN is just made for those that are looking to spend as little time configuring the VPN and just get it to work very quickly. So you might really want to check ExpressVPN, the router app of ExpressVPN specifically. So again, back to Surfshark, you've got over 3,200 servers, as I said earlier, in 65 countries. You still do get, even though it's a budget VPN, you still get quite a few features that you're finding here in NordVPN, which is a little bit more expensive than Surfshark. It unblocks more Netflix libraries. You get multi-hop, which is double VPN, and static IP is the same as dedicated IP. What else are you getting? Well, you're getting a handful of features here, such as whitelister. Whitelister is the same as split tunneling. You get the kill switch and an ad blocker. Also, you're getting quite a few protocols here, including IKEv2, OpenVPN, both UDP and TCP, shadow socks, which will help you reach banned websites if you're in a censorship-heavy country, and then you've got the WireGuard protocol, which is the one that I would recommend to use at all times. No Borders mode will help you bypass the censorship firewall if you're in China or any other censorship-heavy country, really. So yeah, it works pretty well. So that'll be it for these VPNs. They're all super reliable VPNs. Again, if you're looking for the best choice overall, especially when it comes to reliability and unblocking streaming services, you'll get that with ExpressVPN and much more. Specifically, if you're looking for top security and a solid no-logs policy while unblocking your streaming services. If NordVPN suits you better because it has all these specialty servers and features, then you can definitely go with that, even though you may not find it to be as reliable as ExpressVPN, but that's not to say that it is not reliable. It's actually one of the best VPNs for unblocking streaming services, both Nord and Surfshark. It's just that when it comes to reliability and consistency, in unblocking streaming services, ExpressVPN just manages to come out on top. And of course, all of these VPNs, by the way, are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, and they have a 24-hour live chat support. So yeah, all you need to do is you can go to either one of these VPN's websites and you can just hover over the support button here. You can just click it and you'll be able to reach their 24-hour live chat support. And of course, all of their plans are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Be it the 30-day plan, the 6-month plan, the 1-month plan, the 2-year plan. They're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can just ask for your refund. Granted, you ask for it during the first 30 days. You can just ask it through the live chat support and you'll be good to go if you change your mind. Let's say you get Nord or Surfshark and then you decide to get ExpressVPN, you'll be able to do that with their 30-day money-back guarantee. So it really is as simple as that. Again, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below. So feel free to take advantage of those while they last. Besides that, you'll also find reviews in the description if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs with regards to their privacy policy, speed streaming and torrenting capabilities, as well as security features. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.